This trip takes us to the Airstream facilities in Jackson Center, Ohio. Airstream was founded by Wally Bome, who started making trailers in California during the 1920s. In the 1950s, production started at the new location in Jackson Center. Today, this 750,000 square foot facility is where the Airstream travel trailers are manufactured. There is also the Airstream Heritage Center, a museum featuring many of the classic and vintage trailers. It's interesting to note how the trailers have evolved with time and technology, but have still maintained their iconic aerodynamic shape, clad in riveted aluminum. Wally Biome demonstrated how trailerable the Airstream is by pulling one with a bicycle.
Right, good. I get a feeling
Airstreams have found many other applications beyond recreational vehicles, including units used by NASA to transport astronauts as well as food trucks. Airstream has also produced a funeral coach based on one of their motorhomes to assist at funerals, transporting families, flowers, and the casket. This is Route 274, running through the town of Jackson Center. This is where the Ram ProMaster-based Rangeline motorhomes are assembled. This is the Mercedes-based Interstate and Atlas motorhome assembly facility. If you are in the area, signing up for a factory tour is a great experience. Here is the Airstream Factory Service Center. Anybody who has taken advantage of factory service has likely spent some time in the lounge exchanging travel tales with other Airstreamers. Overnight camping with 24 full hookup sites is available at the Terraport next to the service center. The WallE Biome Airstream Club is also located in Jackson Center. Caravans and rallies have been organized all over the world. Jackson Center is also the location of the Wally Biome Memorial Park. This completes our visit to Airstream. Thank you for watching.